Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Neelam. If you are a beginner and looking for some fat drop and to reduce that puffy appearance from your underarms and make your upper body sleeveless ready, then I have a quick and very effective 10 minutes follow along HIIT workout for you, which you have to follow for 2 weeks in a row to achieve the underarms you are imagining right now. But before that, I want to draw your attention to one more very important fact, that there is no spot reduction. If you want to drop some fat from your particular body part, you have to drop overall body fat, and that will come along with the fat drop from your targeted area as well. So during these 2 weeks, you have to eat in calorie deficit. By calorie deficit, I mean you have to eat at least 200 calories lesser than your daily maintenance calories, and that will help you to drop overall body fat, and eventually we will drop fat from the armpit area as well. So while designing this workout, I have kept the overall fat loss and the toning of the muscles which surrounds armpit area. So I have included the armpit related exercises along with some hint of cardio in between to help us lose overall body fat. So we have total 10 exercises in this workout. We will perform each exercise for 40 seconds followed by 15 seconds of easy jags that will keep our heart rate up and enhance that calorie burning process, followed by 5 seconds of break before we start the next exercise. And the equipments you require for this workout is only consistency for 2 weeks and a positive mindset. So if you are going to take this challenge, please comments down below so that I'll be motivated to come up with more wonderful challenges for you. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much for your support. So enough talks, let's move to the workout.
Welcome to the voiceover. So the first exercise of this HIIT workout is a punch. So you have to stand at the shoulder with distance between your feet and start punching forward. Here you have to keep that in mind that when you punch forward, your arm should go slightly above your shoulder level, and you have to sidestep the same side's leg as well. So it will be a little bit coordination, but you will get it after 2 to 3 reps. So keep going for 40 seconds, and after this we will switch our exercise to easy jacks. So easy jacks is the easy modification of jumping jacks, where we will skip the jumping part of jacks. So here you have to only jack without any jumping. It will keep your heart rate up. It will keep your muscle toning process in progress. So keep going. The next up is wall climber. For this you have to stand at least 1 to 1.5 feet away from the wall. Keep your body straight, completely straight, and reach your one arm up. Meanwhile, you have to bend the other elbow and keep your palm placement at your shoulder level, not below that or not above that. Keep your hand placement right in front of your shoulder level and perform this exercise. It's a great exercise to target the underarms fat and the overall upper body. So keep going. Switch your exercise to easy jacks. After every 40 seconds of exercise, we have to perform easy jacks for 15 seconds, and after that we will take break of 5 seconds. The next step is 90-degree up. For this you have to lie down, have a bend at your knee, and keep your arms parallel to each other, your elbows straight, your arms completely straight. Tap on the floor above your head and then come up to 90-degree angle. So this way you have to perform these 90-degree ups, and when you come up, when your arms are perpendicular to the floor, there you have to hold for a second and try to squeeze your underarms muscles, your chest muscles also. Hold for a second and then go back to starting position. Keep going. Switch your exercise to easy jacks. Take as wide step as you can and keep going. The next step is body rotations. For this you have to come in a high plank position, and from here you have to rotate to one side and after that to the other side. Every time you rotate your body sideways means when you come to the side plank pose, your chest should face forward, exactly forward. So use full range of motion of your rotation here and keep going. It's a great exercise to target all that underarms muscles, your upper body muscles. So it will tone and it will keep your heart rate up, and your calorie burning process will speed up with this for sure. So switch your exercise to easy jacks now. Now you will start feeling it a little in your shoulders, but it's totally worth it. Keep going. You have got this. So next exercise is the easy one. So you have to stand at the shoulder with distance between your feet, and from here take your elbows completely backward to your body, and from there you straight your arm and your palm should face upwards throughout, and use full range of motion completely in extended position and then to completely straight position. And when your arms are completely straight in front of you, squeeze your chest and hold for a second, and then you come back to starting position, and there also squeeze as much as you can. Keep going. Switch your exercise to easy jacks. So the next up is flies. For that you have to lie down, have a bend in your knee, and keep your arms right on top of your chest, and from there spread your arms out as much as you can, tap the floor, hold there for a second, and then come back, and when your palms will meet each other, hold there for a second and squeeze, and then you go back to the fly position. Keep your arms straight and your elbows locked. Switch your exercise to easy jacks now. If you are feeling it too much in your shoulder, then you can skip the easy jack for now or for next time. For few times you can skip easy jacks, but I would recommend to keep going with it. So the next up is arm rotation. So stand your feet together here, keep your body straight, your trunk straight, your chest out and your stomach in. Keep your arms exactly parallel to the floor, completely straight, your elbows locked, and from there just rotate your palm towards up and towards down, and keep going with this exercise. Switch your exercise to easy jacks. If you are feeling too much in your shoulders, then skip easy jack and take a break. Else you keep going and challenge yourself. Remember, whenever we push ourselves, we see results. So the next up is elbow to elbow. Stand your feet together again. Keep your arms behind your head and your arms parallel to the floor, and from there try to join your elbows in front of your face, and when you join them properly and squeeze your underarm muscles, your chest muscles also, and hold for a second, and then you go back to starting position. So open your chest completely and close it completely. This day you have to perform this elbow opener exercise. Switch your exercise to easy jacks. So the next up is elbow plank hold. So you have to simply go to a knee plank position like this on your elbows. If you want to challenge yourself more, then go for a standard elbow plank. But if you are feeling too much in your shoulders, then put your knee down and hold the plank position there. The form check for the plank is that your body should be completely in line and your elbow should be right under your shoulder, and keep your palms the way you want to, that doesn't matter much. So come on your knee if you are feeling a little too challenging then, and then switch your exercise to easy jacks again. So the next up is push arm raise, which is the last exercise also. So give your best to it. So you have to pretend like you're pushing something away from your body, and from there you have to raise your arms upward. Use full range of motion everywhere here. So when you push, start from completely backwards, and when you push, squeeze your chest muscles, hold there for a second, and when you take your arms upwards, use full range of motion and keep your arms straight, your core engaged, your chest out, your stomach in. This way you have to perform this exercise, but no swinging of body and no moving of the core. Switch your exercise to easy jacks, and that's it. You did it, you nailed it. This is the last exercise of this workout. I hope you kept up with me and you enjoyed it. If I'm right, then please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to follow this workout for next 2 weeks for awesome results. Bye.